We're all doing our best to inculcate in our children to be the best citizens.
You driving to Pakistan? Yeah? You gonna go get your banana book?
My name is Meher Nisaman. I live in Glasgow. I am a software developer and a mother of 2 young children. Ancestry village is in Gujranwala. That's where my grandfather originates from. He was, I think, the first brown councillor UK has ever had.
I think he left, obviously, at a young age as well, so, you know, he does like to go back and remember what once was, you know, and he's accomplished so much in his life here in the UK. I think he just feels, you know, he still wants to have that link with Pakistan, with home, which is what he calls it, so.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम दादा अबू।
वालेकुम सलाम, कैसी हो तुम?
मैं ठीक ठाक, आप कैसे हैं?
ठीक हूँ।
क्या कर रहे थे?
कुछ भी नहीं, बैठा हुआ हूँ, लोग बैठे हैं इर्द गिर्द।
ये आइला से बात कर लें।
अच्छा।
हाँ, there you go.
Hello.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
How my darling, how's my dear darling? Eh?
When are you coming back?
In about 12 days.
12 days. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, Dadabu.
Walaikum salam, young man, how are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah, how are you? Enjoy karne hain?
Enjoying the weather, enjoying the company, simple company.
दिल तो नहीं कर रहा होगा वापस आने का?
कभी तो निकाले।
नहीं. Chalo, that's good. Well, as long as you're enjoying yourself, you know, obviously with all your friends, your family, etc.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, per Dada. सबको सलाम देना फिर हमारी तरफ से. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
मैं जब 5 साल का था तो मुझे मेरे वाल साहब स्कूल ले गए। बहुत कम मुसलमानों के बच्चे जो स्कूल जाया करते थे। तो रास्ते में उन्हें एक ज़मींदार मिला तो मेरे वाले साहब को कहते हैं, सरदार मुंडे को कित्थे लेके चले हैं? चाचा मैं स्कूले लेके चले हैं। आखिर वो इस केड़ा जफरुल्ला बन जाना है, कित्थे ले चले हैं स्कूले? इन जंगी के पीछे ला हलवा है। Term for us was colored person. They used to refer to us all, Pakistani businessmen, as Johnny the Darky, because they couldn't pronounce our names. We were just Johnny. When I came to England for the first year or two, you had to do something to find your own feet. The situation at that time was the people who were living in Glasgow, between 100 and 200 Pakistanis, they were mostly illiterate. They needed a lot of help. And I was the first educated person who came to them. That's how this idea of helping people introduced me to politics. And when I got to know the local parties quite well, they started pressing me that you should also stand for the council. And I used to say, do you think, are you mad? Who would vote for me? They're all white people. White people won't vote for a black person. You want to insult me? So they was, oh no, but somebody got to do it. He said, you are now living here, settled here. You ought to play your part in all fields of life in this country. The one thing I think in my favor was that I had become quite well known. I was always in the press speaking on behalf of the colored people, the Pakistanis and Indians. So therefore, most of the people who read newspaper or saw television, they knew me. So whenever I knocked the door and somebody came and said, we know you. You are Bachchan Man. Election day, which was here in the Spelman Hall, there were 3 more candidates. Their votes put together, but not as much as my finger vote. The result was overwhelming. I was a magistrate of the city of Glasgow. So yeah, I am in the robes of the magistrate of the city. And I remembered very well how we always felt when we saw an Englishman, you know, and how we passed through the roads when they were coming. So I remember all those things. And when I became a magistrate and I saw people doing the same to me, those people, naturally there was a feeling of great pride. मैंने सोचा कि इस गांव ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है तो मुझे कुछ वापस भी देना चाहिए और मैंने ये समझा कि बच्चियां जो हैं उनकी तालीम के लिए अगर मैं यहाँ कुछ कर दूं तो वो बहुत फ़ायदा होगा.
They really wanted to give back to especially their village back home, and it's all free education for the girls in the area, so that's something he's quite proud of.
एक और बात है मैंने सुनी थी एक बहुत बड़े अपने बुजुर्ग से कि जो इल्म है वो माँ से शुरू होता है. माँ इल्म वाली हो तो बच्चे भी इल्म वाले होते हैं. अगर माँ के पास इल्म ना हो तो बच्चे वो इल्म नहीं हासिल कर सकते जो माँ की गोद में हासिल करते हैं.
To be honest with you, my granddad doesn't talk at all. We've never really spoken about partition times and partition. I think about the partition, again, I think we need to ask him. I think if he thinks the other person is keen and interested to know the history, then he would tell us. जब टाइम नज़दीक आया 14 अगस्त की पार्टीशन का तो यानी कि कैसा एनवायरनमेंट था?
बड़ा एनवायरनमेंट तो इस वक्त बड़ा अजीब था कि क्या होना है क्या हो रहा है, खासकर जहाँ मुसलमानों की आबादी कम थी. मुझे याद है एक दफ़ा मेरा बड़ा अजीज़ दोस्त था सिख, भगवान सिंह उसका नाम था वो, एंड वी वर वेरी क्लोज. बड़ी अच्छी उस पर घोड़ी होती थी. मैं उसके घर गया पार्टी से पहले तो मैं उन्हें उसकी वालद को उसको बैठा के अगर तुम देखो ख़तरनाक हो गए हालात तो मेरे पास आ जाना मेरे गांव में, वहाँ ठहरने जब तक हालात ठीक ना हो जाए. वो कहते हैं ठीक है. तो हुआ ये कि वो एक काफ़िले के साथ चल पड़े. हमारे गांव से वो उनका गांव जो है वो 7-8 मील दूर था, लेकिन गुजरना हमारे गांव से था उनका. उस दिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं गांव में नहीं था. तो जैसे आया काफिला मेरे एक अजीज से पूछा, उन्हें जानता था वो कि भाई मान साहब कहाँ हैं. आखिर वो तो यहाँ नहीं है. ओह अच्छा. उसके फ़ौरन बाद 1 मील जाने के बाद वो काफिले पे हमला हो गया. हमला जो हो गया तो मुझे घोड़ी लेना चाहते थे, लिहाजा वो घोड़ी पे सवार होकर बेवकूफ़ वो भागा और को पीछे गोली मार दी. वो बेचारा वहाँ मर गया और वो घोड़ी लेके चले गए. जो है ना अब प्रेजेंट जनरेशन्स इनको वो एहसास नहीं है जो पार्टीशन में हुआ. I mean, they didn't suffer the trauma, but they will feel they could feel what happened at that time. But I mean, it won't be the same as we felt it. People who went through it, the first generation. Elected as a councillor, a year later, I stood for the parliament. But I lost. And a Sikh friend of mine came to me in Punjabi. He said, Bashir Saab, बड़ा अफसोस है कि तुम जिते नहीं, लेकिन एक गल मैंने याद आ गई है कि सावन भादों का महीना होंदा ते जमीन तपदी हुंदी, बदल आउंदा है, कणी नहीं डिगदी. कणी क्यों नहीं डिगदी? वो डरदी है कि मैं तो गई तो सड़ गई, मैं क्यों डिगा. लेकिन एक नहीं डिगदी ते मींह नहीं भरदा. तुसीं ओह कणी ਤੁਸੀਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋਏ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਦੇਖਿਓ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋ ਗਏ। That's my legacy.